Hi guys, my name is Kam Lester. I have been doing beauty makeup videos, Instagram tutorials since April 2018, so I'm coming up on a year. When I first started makeup, I basically only did eyebrows, and then I kind of just somehow got into full coverage by watching YouTube videos and watching just makeup artists on YouTube, and it just turned into what I do now. I used to be so scared of color. I just love I like golden neutral tones, like, you know, I was just kind of scared of it. Now I just go in with color. Like, now I don't care about color. Now I just use whatever. I think males are just now getting into this game, and now like we're starting to see more male beauty boys that do makeup. So now like you really don't see that many black women are like being marketed towards. So to be a black male and to be in beauty, it's 10 times harder, and you have to just go 10 times stronger. So it's really hard to find yourself out there, but it's out there. We just need to support the talent, and then once the talent grows, you'll see yourself. So I'm very new into the industry, and I definitely have been overlooked. So that would kind of like discourage me and make me not want to like do it and kind of be upset. But it actually made me want to go harder and push myself, and I feel like it actually made me stronger and more of a hustler in this industry. My goal is, like, you know, to be on the top and like be that representation for young kids so they can see themselves. So I'm proud of myself because I feel like I can represent a generation that's coming up, and they can see me as representation of living in my skin comfortably, happy. And I feel like the younger generation sees that on camera and sees it through videos, and they see themselves in some way. So Black LGBT kids can see me doing this, and they could put themselves in my shoes somehow and take off from there, and probably even have an easier road once they come in.